So I'm going to do the same exact activity that you are doing today, which is making predictions about equal groups. But I'm only going to use one number to just show you how it's done. So it says here, count 19 objects. I am actually using paper clips today. You don't have to use paper clips. There is actually a slide with suggestions of different things you can use, or you could use something that you've used in the past. So I've already counted 19 objects, so I don't have to do it on video. So I have 19 paper clips. Now, it has 3 columns, this chart. The first column has 3 numbers, 2, 5, and 10. The second column says predict. Can you make equal groups of? This blank is where you would fill in 2, 5, and then 10. So this column is where you're making your predictions. So you'll say, yes, you can make equal groups of 2, for example, or no, we can't make equal groups of 5. So then we're going to test it out. Did it work? Remember, no leftovers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab, I'm actually going to predict, can I make equal groups of 2 with 19 objects? I'm going to say yes. Why not? Maybe I think I can make equal groups of 2 with 19 objects. So now it's my turn to test it out. So this is where I get to play and grab my paper clips and make groups of 2. So I'm going to make them organized. This way I can clearly see if it works out or not. So I'm going to leave some space in between each group of 2 paper clips. So as you can see, it's working out so far. We'll see when it comes to the end. Oops. Oh, what did I find? I have a leftover. If I have a leftover, it cannot make equal groups of 2 because this poor little lonely paperclip has no one to be in a group with. So my prediction was wrong, and it says, did it work? I'm going to say no. I'm also going to add on why it didn't work, and I'm going to write 1 leftover. And as we said, there can be no leftovers for it to be in equal groups of that number. So I'm going to go to number 5 now. I'm going to make my prediction about number 5 based on what I've kind of learned from that last experiment. Well, I'm going to say, 5 you cannot make equal groups of 5. I'm just going to go with no, and let's see if I'm right this time. So I'm going to get my paper clips, and now I have to count out 5 per group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. That's one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my second group. 1. Whoa, these are alive. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my third group. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, can I make a fourth group? No, I do not have 5 paper clips. So as you can see, this would not work out because I do not have equal groups with 5 in each. One of my groups only has 4 in it. So I'm going to say, did it work? No, it did not work. And the reason that we cannot make equal groups of 5 is because we have 4 left over. And we cannot have any leftovers. We should, if we wanted it to work out, we would need 1 more to make another equal group of 5. My last one is 10, and I'm going to use some knowledge about the number 19 to help me with 10. So I'm thinking to myself, if I have equal groups here, I would need 10 in each group to be equal. But I have 19 objects, so I can only have one group that has 10 in it, and one group will have 9 because I know my place value. So I'm actually going to say no. I predict that it doesn't work out. but we're gonna try it and see if my theory is correct. So, we have to count out 10 per group now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So does this create equal groups of 10? Absolutely not, because you have one group that has 10, one group that has 9. They are not equal. So we can say no. We have 9 left over. So basically, what you can see here is that 19 does not make equal groups of 2, 5, or 10. And that's pretty much all you have to do. Your prediction can be wrong, like mine was wrong over here. It's just using what you know about the numbers, using what you know about our experience working with equal groups, to make a prediction, to guess if that will work out, and then test it out with your objects. Have fun exploring today, friends.